Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and the name of my channel is PRgrl for Puerto Rican girl. I hope that all of you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the pieces that I got to qualify for the current promotion that Pandora is having. So for those of you who don't know, since yesterday, August 27, all the way until September 18, Pandora is running a promotion where if you spend $110, you will get a free jewelry box. And this promotion is coincided with the launch of the autumn collection for this year. Now, I was so excited to see that they were doing this jewelry box promotion because the last time Pandora had this promotion of jewelry boxes, at least in the US and here in Puerto Rico, was in 2018 for the launch of the Mother's Day collection. So I was so excited to get this. And somehow I was even more excited because this is a special jewelry box that is tied up to the 20-year celebration of the Pandora Moments collection. And I'm gonna say something, I actually haven't seen what the pieces I got at all because I shopped by the phone with my sales associate and somebody brought the bag for me just a few hours ago. So this is gonna be a true unboxing, a first impression, and I'm just so excited for that. Okay, so without further ado, let's take a look at the pieces that I got. Okay, so before I show you the items that I got, I decided also to share with you a lipstick that my hubby got me. This is from the Selena collection of MAC and it's called Selena Viva. It's such a gorgeous lipstick. Look at the packaging. I love my MAC lipsticks and my husband knows that. In fact, I have a video on my channel where I try a bunch of MAC lipsticks. So I thought, you know, it was so nice of him. I didn't know anything about this collection, but sometimes when he goes to a mall and he sees the lipstick, he just grabbed me one. But look at how beautiful is that. It even has a rose engraved on the lipstick. It's so, so beautiful. So it is the one that I'm wearing, so I thought about sharing that with you. Okay, so now let's go to see what you're here for, which are the items from this launch of the autumn collection as well as the jewelry box. So my sales associate was so nice that she did a double bag for me. So let me untie the ribbon and let's see what's in here. Oh, how nice. So this is the bag and then she put my receipt in there. So let me move this other box right here. So I'm so excited. Okay, all right, so how should I do this? Oh my gosh, okay, so let's see. And I realized that the color of the ribbon from the two bags is different. And then she put some tissue paper in there, hope you can see. So I see it. Oh my gosh. All right. Look at that. How beautiful. Oh my gosh. It even has the 20 logo engraving right there. It's so beautiful. Love that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's open it together. Maybe I should do like this on camera. I love the color pink. I love that they did two tones of pink. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Okay, it is wrapped in white tissue paper. Oh my gosh, it's so sleek and beautiful. Look at that. It has the 20th logo on top engraved right there, and it is so soft and so smooth. It's gorgeous. So as you can see, I hope you are able to see, it has the 20th logo with the crown as part of that release of the charms related to the 20-year celebration of the Pandora Moments collection. And then in the inside, oh my gosh guys, this is even more beautiful than I thought. Okay, so oh my gosh, it's that velvety material from all the jewelry boxes, and as you can see, it has 12 slots, so you can place charms in there, as well as this centerpiece, which is to place a bracelet, for example. And then I also see that it has the new Pandora logo in there. Oh my gosh, I love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh my gosh. So far, so good. This is amazing. And it's actually, you know, a nice way to it. It's just gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. It's so, so beautiful. Okay, so maybe I should put this on top of my stackers. And then let's now take a look at the pieces that I got. Alrighty. So, okay, so let me tell you, I got 2 pieces. Okay, so I'm trying to see if okay, I'm gonna open this one first. So I decided to grab things from the new autumn collection. I was debating for a little while. I even talked to some friends on Instagram because I wasn't sure if I wanted to grab things from my almost endless wish list or if I should grab things from the new collection. And I decided to go with the new collection. So let's take a look. So let's see. Alright. Okay, so the first thing I grabbed, well, this was my second thing, but since I'm opening in front of you, I had no idea what was first. I decided to get the new O pendant, the beaded O pendant. It's no secret that I have been a fan of the O pendant since the moment it came out. I had a blog when the autumn collection of last year was launched. I went to the store with earrings from Pandora Glitter, and the first thing I bought was the O pendant, almost a year now. And in fact, I'm wearing the medium O pendant today in silver, along with the rose O pendant on a rose chain. And I love the O pendant so much that I knew I had to grab one from this collection. And this is the O pendant in the beaded version in the small size. As I say, I already have the medium size in silver, and I thought it was gonna be really nice to get something different, and for that reason I decided to go with the small. It is so beautiful, guys. The beaded detail is amazing. It's just so beautiful, so beautiful. I'm gonna insert closer pictures for you, and as you can see, it has the heart in the center. That's what you press in order to open the O pendant. And then in the back of it, it has the Pandora inscription, the letters of Pandora. And then the bead material is so beautiful. I'm gonna try to see if maybe later on today in the video I do a composition of this with this O pendant, and I show you some pictures like the one that I'm wearing today. But I'm so happy that I decided to get this because I love it. Okay, so that was one of the things I grabbed, and the other thing I grabbed is right here. So let's see. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I have to take a look. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I even get a goosebump. It's even cuter than what I thought. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So what I grabbed is the baby shoe booty new dangle, two-tone dangle that Pandora came up for this autumn collection. And let me tell you guys, if you have been here for a while, you know I'm a huge fan of two-tones. I love two-tones. And since the moment I saw that they were gonna bring this charm, this was my #1 pick from this autumn release. It is way cuter than I thought. It's so gorgeous. So I'm gonna do again closer details of it. So as you can see, the barrel is quite plain, but you'll see the two-tone feature in the sense that you have the baby booty, but the lace are actually 14K gold. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. On the left hand side of the shoe, well, my left hand side here, what I'm showing, it's plain, but on the right hand side, it contains a heart It's so beautiful, so beautiful. And the reason why I decided to get this, well, one, of course, I'm a fan of two-tone, but secondly, it's because in this year 2020, my baby is not all, I will say I could not call him a baby anymore because he's gonna turn 2, so he's gonna be actually a toddler. And I thought about getting this booty because of that, because of him, and of course he could be representing my eldest son. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna be placing the baby booty on the O pendant because that was my thought, that I could wear it for a little while on my O pendant. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful, guys. Look, so pretty. Oh, how special. It is so cute. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Look how beautiful. Oh my gosh. So yeah, guys, these were my picks as part of this promotion. Let me know in the comment section down below if you plan to take part of this promotion or if you already did, and I would love to know what you got if you purchased anything. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. I hope that you really enjoyed watching, and if you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I will really appreciate that. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Gracias.